we are having actually we are having another one data type none. None means nothing. It is not equal to false. None. None. N capital. Type of P. So class none type. We have seen int. We have seen a string str, float, list, dictionary, tuples. So likewise, we are having one type none type. So none means nothing. Okay, so it is not equivalent to false and it is not equivalent to empty string. A equal to false. It's false. None is not equal to false. Okay. A is equal to A is not equal to string. So return none. So return function we will have last statement as return. So return illatalum it will return to the calling function. So return expression edum kudukalna it will append as return none, nothing. Yeah, so return la neenga omit panningena it will take none as its value.